Wouldn't it be great if there was a button on every LinkedIn profile that when you clicked it, it fetched the profile's contact information, including email address, and added it to your Close CRM with just one click? Well, now there is. It's using a Chrome extension called LinkClose that we built, and when you click the button on a LinkedIn profile, it's going to create a contact within your Close CRM, as you can see here, and it's going to include their contact information and all sorts of information like job title, company, etc. So to get started, you just need to install the Chrome extension, and the link is in the description. Once this is done, it's going to redirect you to the onboarding process, and we really recommend the first thing you do is you just pin the extension to your toolbar, and you do that by going here and clicking on the pin icon. This will come in handy later because it's just going to make it so much easier to use the extension. So yes, I pinned, and now I'm just going to sign up with my Google account. And once that's done, the last step we need to do is just connect to our close.com CRM, and I can do that by clicking on this button here or manually entering our API keys. I'm just going to click on connect and just click accept here. This just allows us to create contacts and leads in your Close CRM on your behalf. And that's it, everything's set up. So now we can just go to any LinkedIn profile and add the person to our CRM. Now when we go to my LinkedIn profile, because I've already added myself, it will actually appear as a green tick, which just shows you that this profile is already in our CRM, and you can click through and see that contact. But if the person is not in our CRM, such as this person here, it's going to display the L, and when we click it, it's going to show everything about the profile, such as contact information, phone numbers, everything is verified. And when you click on add to CRM, it's going to create that contact in Close. So you can see here, companies added, images added, everything you would need. It's going to save you so much time doing manual data entry. Now you can just do it with one click. So as I say, link is in the description, and you can install the LinkClose Chrome extension on the web Chrome store. All the best.